The TALK talking talking cave बोलता हुआ गुफा बोलता है बोल दे once ONC once OPON upon a time 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 THERE there WAS was ANN OLD old lion once upon a time there was an old lion. He LIVED lived in a JUNGLE jungle. JUNGLE jungle. He was very weak. WEAK weak and COULD could NOT not kill animals 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 for his FOOD food, so he was starving STARVING starving. One day he was out in the jungle jungle looking for food. He was tired tired but could could find nothing nothing to eat at sunset. He came to a cave. He thought thought. इसको ध्यान से कई बार पढ़ना है आपको thought some ANIMAL animal would 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 SURELY surely come to the cave at night NIGHT night. I shall shall have a good 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 MEAL meal to TONIGHT tonight. He said to himself himself and went went into the cave. After an hour HOUR because हा नहीं बोलेंगे बोलेंगे hour a fox fox CAME came along along the cave was his home. He came there EVERY every NIGHT night to sleep 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 ASS. The fox was ABOUT about to walk in. He saw the FOOT footprints PRINTS footprints of a lion lion LEADING leading to the cave, C-A-V-E, cave. He, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought that the lion, M-U-S-T, must be in the cave. He was a very C-L-E, clever, P-E-R, clever fox. He thought of a plan, P-L-A-N, plan. He, C-A, cop, double L-E-D, called, aloud, A-L-O-U-D, aloud, good, E-V, evening, N-I-N-G, evening, to you, my dear cave, C-A-V-E, cave, the lion, my dear cave, the lion, H-E, he, A-R-D, heard, the fox, he waited, W-A-I-T, it waited for the fox to come in and did not, N-O-T, not make, M-A-K, make a noise, N-O-I-S-E, noise, after, A-F-T-E-R, after, some, S-O-M-E, some, T-I-M-E, time, sometime, the fox spoke again, O cave, every, E-V-E-R-Y, every day, when I come to you, you greet, G-R-E-E-T, greet me, Y, W-H-Y, R, U, Q-U-I-E-T, quite, today, if you do not, W-I-S-H, wish me, I will go away, A-W-A-Y, away, to some, S-O-M-E, some, O-T-H-E-R, other, cave, A-N-D, and, N-E-V-E-R, never, come back to you again. The lion heard the, H-E-A-R-D, heard the fox. He thought the fox would go away if he did, D-I-D, did not, W-I-S-H, wish him, H-I-M, him. So he, R-O-A-R-E-D, roared, L, देखो, roar, R-A, roar, D-E-D, roared, L-O-U-D, loudly, loudly, the, H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry, L-I-O-N, lion, now, waited, W-A-I-T-E-D, waited for the, F-O-X, fox, to come into the cave, but the fox, L-A-U-G-H-E-D, laughed तो नहीं है, laughed, and, L-A-U-G-H-E-D, laughed, he, S-H-O-U-T-E-D, shouted, I have never, H-E-A-R-D, heard a cave talking, T-L-T-A-L-K-I-N-G, talking, L इसमें silent है, Mr. Lion, caves do not talk, H-A, having said this, the fox run away, and S-P-E-N-T, spent the night, N-I-G-H-T, night, in, A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another cave. ठीक है, तो इसको आप अगर कई बार रीड करोगे तो आपको क्लियर होगा। इसमें एक टॉकिंग बोलती हुई गुफ़ा के बारे में बात कही गई है। इसे 1 बार, 2 बार, 3 बार, कम से कम 10 बार रिपीट कीजिए तो आपको रीडिंग में काफ़ी प्रोग्रेस होगी। राधे, राधे।